Hello and welcome. Let's look at WAEC 2019 Physics past question number 8. A loaded spring is set in simple harmonic motion. The force that tends to restore the load to its equilibrium position is A. Adhesive, B. Elastic, C. Frictional, D. Gravitational. So which form of this force? If you have a spring like this and you load this spring with a mass, so if you tap this very string in this direction, it will go down and come up. So what is that force that is making it to go up and down, up and down? Is it adhesive force? Is it elastic force? Is it frictional force? Or is it gravitational force? Elastic material is one that regains its original shape or size after distortion, after the distorting force is removed. So this is the material. This spring is the very material that we are looking at. So if you distort it by pushing this weight down, it will come back. So that is what elastic materials do. So elastic materials, they do what? They regain their what? Shape and size after the removal of the distorting force. So whenever you remove the force that you're using to distort them, they will return back. So it's only elastic material that do that. When you talk about adhesive force, you talk about force of attraction between molecules of different kinds. So this is simply force of attraction between molecules of different kinds. So example is what we have between water and glass. When you put your water in the glass, they have this force of attraction known as adhesive force. Now, frictional force is the force that opposes the motion between two surfaces in contact. So when you talk about frictional force, you're talking about force that opposes motion between two objects in contact. Then finally, gravitational force is actually the force of attraction exerted by a body on all other bodies in the universe. So that very force of attraction exerted by a body on other bodies in the universe, that is gravitational force. So from here you can easily see that the elastic force is actually the force, because it is the one that makes a spring to regain back its shape once you remove your hand after pushing this down. So that makes option B the right answer. Please hit the subscribe button. Thank you and God bless you.